Let's face it, personal finance can feel overwhelming. But what if I told you that saving money isn't about sacrifice, it's about strategy? Most people struggle with their finances because they're focused on cutting back instead of building better habits. In today's video, I'll show you 5 simple steps to take control of your money without giving up the things you love. Stick around because step 5 might surprise you. Step 1. Automate your savings. The easiest way to save money is to never touch it in the first place. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to a savings account on payday. Even if it's just $10 a week, automation removes the temptation to spend and builds your savings without you even noticing. I used to think saving money was impossible, but when I automated $50 a month, I barely noticed it was gone. Fast forward a year, and I had enough for a small vacation, without even trying. Step 2. Track every dollar. You can't manage what you don't measure. Use an app like Mint or even a simple spreadsheet to track your spending. Seeing where your money goes can be eye-opening, and it's the first step to cutting out wasteful expenses. One of my friends realized they were spending $200 a month on subscription services they barely used. That's $2,400 a year, money that could have been invested or saved. Step 3. Master the 50-30-20 rule. This budgeting method is simple and effective. 50% of your income goes to needs, rent, groceries, bills. 30% goes to wants, entertainment, dining out. 20% goes to savings or debt repayment. If you're spending more than 30% on wants, it's time to rebalance. It's not about deprivation, it's about aligning with your goals. Step 4. Create a financial safety net. Unexpected expenses are a part of life. That's why building an emergency fund should be a top priority. Aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate account you don't touch, unless it's an actual emergency. Last year, my car broke down and the repair bill was $800. Thanks to my emergency fund, I didn't need to go into debt. That's the power of being prepared. Step 5. Learn to say no to yourself. Here's the truth. Saving money requires discipline. It's not about denying yourself forever, but it is about delaying gratification. Every time you say no to an unnecessary purchase, you're saying yes to your future. Don't trade what you want most for what you want now. Keep your goals in mind and remind yourself why you're saving in the first place. Now it's your turn. Which of these steps will you start today? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, share it with someone who could use a little financial clarity. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos to help you on your way to more money, success, and happiness. Your financial future starts now.